what we're seeing in the skies are three things. There's foreign drones that are high tech. There's our defense drones going after them and jamming them, and then a extraterrestrial.
What you're looking at here.
Now that's strange.
Okay, now this one.
That could be a refraction of light, maybe, or the zoom in.
No, this is one of them. This is one of the others. One of the telltale signs in being able to tell the difference between our technology and technology out of human beings' ability at this time. Save the Space Force, but we'll get to that later.
That's madness that we don't know what these drones are.
It's behind the tree, or?
Yes, that is what we would call a hybrid. It is half living, half mechanical.
Yes. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. It even has almost like a trail.
Yes.
At this little.
It's a living thing.
It goes out and comes back in really quickly.
These are the ones that often will communicate with people. Here we go. This is a TR3B, and it's been around for a long time, but this one has been upgraded and is deploying a jamming. Do you see the backlights flick?
Sure.
Backlights flick, and it kind of almost ionizes the air around it in a blue. That is deploying a jamming technology for whatever drone it's near. It's trying to jam their observation.
So it's testing its wares, like, and it's obviously out in the open for everyone to see.
The light on the inside and the shape of it tells me that's probably Space Force, which means they had intel of a possible attack, and they were taking position over that area. But the other ones that were sort of car size would hang for a long period of time in certain areas and looked more metallic and bulkier. Those are the ones that I believe are from foreign adversaries.
Iran made a deal with China to purchase drones, motherships, and technology.
The ones jumping all over the place. Yeah, those are the others. Just trying to get everybody's attention and stoke the fire of this situation, and even potentially even pull the attention of the locals towards the fact that these other drones are trying to surveil us.
I see.
To try to keep something from going down. This perception of you can't trust your government, this perception of we don't know what's going on in our own skies and nobody has any answers, is sowing mistrust. And it's done on purpose to try to destabilize and take our confidence away.
Of what the heck is going on?
The FBI says there's no reason to believe that these recent possible drone sightings pose a national security threat.
It poses no threat, but they can't tell you what it is.
They can't penetrate this thing.
I think that they're going to be sorely mistaken. First of all, there are a lot of other people on the planet like myself that consider myself an ambassador. And I've been speaking to these beings my entire life. And they've been telling me of this time. It's all accumulating to now, to this point now. It's actually going to be extraordinary what's going to happen on the other side. So I want to encourage people that this is just the big shakeup, to shake out everything that's corrupt, to shake out everything that is wrong.
This reminds me of that Twilight Zone episode when the aliens are switching the lights on and off and the town's just flipping out.